Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add guests to your Notion. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simple Notion and go to the right top corner, and you're gonna see the share, right? And you're gonna see invite people, and you want to click add people, and then you're gonna see just add email, like whatever, and then just can edit, and you can just like press can view or can comment. So these are the two things that you can like choose. And you just want to press can view and just invite the person. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much. So again, you go to share, invite people, add people, and from can edit, choose can view. So yeah. Have a great day, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.